Yep.
Alright. Getting ready to deworm the puppies. Take a look at the puppies. Me and Lil Chapo. See the puppies. Callie's puppies. All little roughneck boys. We're getting ready to deworm them. We weighed them already. Dewormer we like to use. Get this right off of Amazon. Alright, so we're gonna go with the white and gray one who's supposed to be first action. There we go. 0.4 cent. Measure this out. Not to panic if you give a little bit too much or a little bit too less. Not to panic. It's not gonna poison your dogs or kill them. If you give a lot too much, then you might wanna veterinary help. So you got this little blue boy right here with the wide face. Check him out. He's gonna have a big dome. Right here, he kind of reminds us of his uncle Fuego. He's available. Go ahead and DM us. Me or my son Chapo. Reach out to either one of us. We'll hook you up. Puppy's getting their first set of dewormers at 3 weeks. Let's see if you like it. I think you like it. Once again, it's the kind that we went with. Right here. Got this off of Amazon, about 20 bucks. Nice and easy. Next round, the second set, which will be in another 2 weeks, we're gonna let young Chapo do this part. Here's a look at this little guy. It's a lilac marrow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Complete. I love this guy. See the three different tones. He's got white, got lilac, he got blue. Beautiful. Beautiful puppy right here. Good money bullies. That's what we working with, folks. Go ahead and give him his dosage. See if he like it. It's a hit. It's a hit, folks. They all like it. Give them that good old medicine that they need. We also give Mom hers. Like I said, you give it to them every 2 weeks. Sit here about 2 months. And then you want to give it to them once every 6 months. Once every 6 months. Once every 6 or 3 months. I know the adults get it once a year, or if you feel it's needed. What are you talking about, man? What are you whining about, man? You ready to get out of there? Before we started recording, we already did this guy. We'll give you a look at it. Give you a look at him. Check him out. Like I said, these are my bad girl Callie. These are her puppies. Do a little research. Used a boy named Keys out in Rochester. My boy Nice Kennels hooked me up. Keys is Picasso's grandson. Callie is a Smidge's daughter. Do your research, take a look at them two boys. You see what we got over here. Go ahead and put him back. Can we bring Mama